Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel SSRY Knowledge Hub. Today we are going to learn 100 action words in English. Action words are words that show what a person, animal or thing is do. What a person, animal or thing is doing. Let's start the video. Sleep, talk, wake, speak, listen, hear, see, look, watch, think, learn, teach, study, play, laugh, smile, cry, shout, ask, answer, run, walk, drink, eat, color, paint, draw, write, read, sing, dance, hop, skip, jump, whisper, hold, touch, point, wave, clap, hit, kick, catch, throw, carry, lift, pull, push, close, open, travel, fly, swim, ride, drive, fix, create, make, build, cut, bake, cook, brush, wash, clean, help, send, climb, crawl, bring, give, take, pay, sell, buy, decide, choose, find, search, hunt, feed, dig, water, plant, grow, stretch, bend, stand, sit, count, celebrate, enjoy, finish, start, loss, win, save, protect, measure, share. Great job! You have learned 100 action words in English. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to SSRY Knowledge Hub for more English learning videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.